I'm the Research Director at KWS in the UK. We're a global seeds business with a turnover of about €1 billion, based in 70 countries on a global scale. I'm a plant breeder by background, so the seeds business, what you're talking about is plant breeding. In terms of our involvement with Biosciences KTN and the involvement in this conference today, I'm involved in the plant sector group within the Biosciences KTN, which we find very valuable because it gives us an opportunity to understand what is going on in other industries within the agricultural sector as a whole, of which we're a small part, and it also gives us an opportunity to network with these other organisations, both in terms of potentially establishing research and development projects, or maybe just understanding each other's objectives for our products, for example. What do people need? Also, what are they going to give us if they're on the academic side of things? Yeah, in terms of how the Biosciences KTN has helped us develop new collaborations, it's been quite exceptional really, because the passion of the staff has been very, very good at actually making sure that we were linked to people that we weren't necessarily aware of, because they're a good repository of a database of who's doing what, and that's very useful for us. So what we've done is we've been involved now in some TSB funded R&D projects, and that's been very helpful for us. But I think that's only part of it. Just actually knowing some of the other businesses is creating a platform for us in the future. In terms of accessing extra funding, there has been some accessing of extra funding from TSB in particular. But again, I think that's only part of the whole, really. I think it's like a seed money, really, to give us the basis from which we can establish further collaborations, which may require more fundamental research, so accessing BBSRC type funding, or things on a more European basis, EU funding, and we've been involved in EU projects as a result of the network, so to speak, and even on a global basis when there are bilateral between countries. Well, I was asked to actually speak at the conference today, which is why I'm here, but I actually feel that it's important to give back, so to speak. So I'm always very happy to do these types of talks, to say what we're doing and how we interact with other parts of the supply chain in wheat in particular, which is my specialist area in some respects. But I think it's important to make time available when you can, when the diary allows you to. Yeah, I mean, one of the things we do now as a business is whenever Biosciences have conferences or seminars or workshops, originally it was probably just me who used to go to them, and I've been to several, and it's been very helpful, as I said, particularly in building networks and helping us refine our R&D commitment. But also now I can't make it sometimes, so some of my other colleagues go, or indeed some of them actually know about the thing and go anyway. So it's actually expanding our involvement in the network of meetings that go on. So it's a very useful forum, really.